Hi guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that I fully submerge my head under water so that my hair can get really saturated so that the product can work best throughout my hair strands. It always helps to have your hair really saturated first. And then I'm going to go in with the TGIN Miracle Repairing Strengthening Shampoo. Now I really do love all of TGIN products, but I must say that I do like the shampoo a lot because it doesn't have that drying effect like other shampoos, and this is more so like a clarifying shampoo. It really helps to get a lot of that buildup off of your scalp and out of your hair. And I like to use a generous amount just because I did have box braids before this, so I'm just going to be gentle but thorough in shampooing my hair by parting it and just working that shampoo throughout my whole entire head. And because I do get a lot of buildup around my hairline, I am not opposed to scratching my scalp because it really helps to just get that gunk off of my scalp and out of my hair. So I just be gentle when I scratch. But I do like to just go in very thoroughly, and then I like to let the water just wash away that shampoo instead of using it on my entire hair. I also make sure to separate and stretch my hair just so I can be thorough in washing to get rid of all of that product. And then the next product that I'm going to use is the Miracle Repairing Deep Hydrating Hydration Mask. I always make sure to use a deep conditioner. It just helps to lock in moisture that you lose from shampooing your hair. And since this is a repairing hair mask, it's going to help to repair some of that heat damage that I have and strengthening my hair in general. And I make sure to really go in heavy on my ends because that's the driest part of your hair and the most damaged. So I'm just going to detangle my hair first and then put it up in a little bun and then work on the next section. So once I apply this to my hair, I like to leave it in for about 10 to 15 minutes while I shower, just so I can have the best result and so it could work properly. And like I said, I do like to use a generous amount just because my hair is in a really fragile state right now because of postpartum and because of the little heat damage that I do have. So I've been experiencing a lot of shedding, a lot of hair loss, and I think it's because of stress as well. So I'm trying to be as gentle as I can because I know that my hair is in this state. And honestly, if your hair is in this type of condition, it does require you to have time and patience. So my best advice would be to just be patient and consistent. Also try to remember to detangle from ends to root. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash out that hair mask, and then I'm going to shower. And I do it this way because I tend to have acne because of my hair and the products I use. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with the Miracle Repairing Leave-In Conditioner by TGIN as well. For me, I like to put the leave-in conditioner in my hair while I'm still in the shower just because my hair is freshly detangled and I just want to go in and set my curls and further detangle my hair. So this way I know that my hair won't be drying out so fast once I get out of the shower, and then I could just go right in with styling my hair. And then I just make sure to part my hair so I can get it throughout my entire hair strand. And this is how my curls are looking after all of that. So now I'm going to further detangle my hair, and then I'm going to wrap it up for the night. I'm not going to style it or anything like that. Just give my hair a break because like I said, I did just take out some box braids, and I'm just going to let my hair breathe for a while. So I'm just going to clip it up and then get dressed and then wrap my hair. And then this is pretty much all of the hair loss that I had, which isn't bad, but I was trying to be very gentle with my hair. So yeah, now I can get into oiling my hair. Before I almost forgot the step, but yeah, I have to oil my scalp a little bit because like I said, I do suffer with dry scalp and a lot of buildup, and I'm just going to oil the parts in my hair which accumulate the most dandruff. And then I'm going to put my hair up. And then I also make sure to put some of the oil on my ends as well. I'm just going to use this scrunchie so that I can put my hair up in a ponytail for the night, and then tomorrow I'm just going to let it down so it can air dry. And then I just make sure to use a bonnet as well as a scarf because I don't like sleeping on a wet pillow. So I'm just trying to make sure that my hair doesn't seep through and wet my pillow up. Alright, so it is the next morning, so now I can take this scarf and this bonnet off to kind of see how my curls are looking now that it's had time to settle in with the product. And my hair is already about 50% dry, so I'm just going to shake it out and let it air dry for the most part. And you guys can see how that oil really helps to lay down those baby hairs, which I love. I don't really have to use any gel or anything on my edges. But yeah, this is my hair so far. It's big and poofy, but this is how the curls are looking. I have more of a looser curl type pattern. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I love you guys. Bye.